In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select item color in Houzz. Start by opening your browser and going to houzz.com. You should land on the home page, which serves as your dashboard. Here you'll see navigation across the top with options to browse ideas, find professionals, and shop for products. For what we're doing today, we're heading straight into shopping. Click the shop section. This takes you into the product area where everything is organized into clear categories. To make this easy to follow, we'll use bar stools as our example, but the same steps apply to basically any product on the site. Find and select the bar stools category to view all the available options. You'll now see a grid of products. Scroll through and pick a bar stool that catches your eye to open its product page. This page is where you'll find all the details: photos, dimensions, reviews, price, and most importantly for us, the customization options. If you want to compare a few, it can be helpful to open them in new tabs so you can switch back and forth without losing your place. On the product page, look to the right side of the screen, just below the price. This is typically where Houzz displays the available variations, including color, finish, and sometimes material or size. These options often appear as small color swatches, thumbnails, or a labeled drop-down. If you hover over a swatch, you may see the color name, which helps ensure you're choosing exactly what you want. Click the color area to open the available choices if it isn't already expanded, then select the color you prefer. When you click a color, the main product image should update automatically to reflect your selection. This instant preview makes it easy to see how the item will look in that finish before you commit. Take a second to confirm that the selected color is highlighted or checked. Also keep an eye on any notes near the price. Some colors may affect availability, shipping time, or sometimes even the price. If the color option is out of stock, you'll usually see a message right in that same area. That's all there is to it. You go to Houzz, open the shop section, choose your category, select a product you like, and then pick your color from the options on the right under the price. Once you select a color, the item preview updates instantly so you can be confident in your choice. When you're happy with the look, you can continue exploring other styles or refine your selection to match your space perfectly.